Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I'm going to be showing you how I've decorated my house for Halloween this year. I haven't really gone as crazy as I usually do, but that's mainly because I had a little someone being very needy and wanting cuddles, so yeah. I think Toby just wanted to say hi in this bit because he was just sat there. So let's get into the video. So starting off the hallway door, I've just decorated it with some spider web and some plastic spiders and this little trick or treat sign. I like decorating this sort of area because it's the main thing that people see when they come into the house or when you open the door. So next to the doorway we have a shelving unit which I haven't actually decorated other than the two bits that you're seeing now. I just couldn't really be bothered to take everything off. Just too many Funko Pops. So going on to the window area, I just have a lot of little pumpkin ornaments and this boo sign. I bought the boo sign actually from Sainsbury's last year and I love it. Stupidly I forgot to take the batteries out before packing it away last year, but hey, they still worked. I've kept our dining table relatively clear. All I put on is a spiderweb tablecloth and some little pumpkin tea light ornaments, my little succulent plant which usually lives in the window. And going over to probably one of the favourite areas of the front room at the moment is this little shelving unit. So I've got on here my little Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Daub and my Oogie Boogie little figure, and then I've also got this creepy tea light holder sign. And then on the end I have this little pumpkin pot. Then going over to the shelving unit which is actually built into the wall, we've got this little Fallout shelf. Obviously, as you may know, Toby's a huge fan of games. And then going down you've got my Harry Potter / Fantastic Beasts collection type thing, and then we have the Halloween shelf. So this shelf is made up of some little battery powered pumpkin lights, a gold pumpkin, a ghost tea light holder, but I haven't put a tea light in it this year seeing as it's just sat on the shelf. We also have this cauldron which I absolutely love. It's actually a little bit of a DIY because it is meant to be a misting cauldron, but it does leak. Just put in some battery operated candles, a little bit of spider webbing, and I've just made it look like it's a frothing bubbly mess of a cauldron. Just above our kitchen door I've put these floating ghost head lights. Again, they are battery operated. A lot of the lights that I have are always battery operated just because they're just, I don't know, easier. On the wall above the sofa I've just got this trick or treat sign and some little floating skull heads again. The little skulls I actually bought a pack of 4 from, I think it must have been Sainsbury's again. And then next to the sofa we have this marble coffee table which we actually got from B&M. So I've just popped on some Halloween candles. I don't intend to burn these. I think I'm just going to keep them as show. And then I've also got this skull snow globe and a light up pumpkin boo sign. Okay, so going on to the kitchen, I've done the exact same thing as I did to the hallway door for the kitchen door. I've only put 2 things in the windowsill in the kitchen, and that's this haunted house tea light holder and these little I don't know, like potion bottles. I was in 2 minds whether to put these in the kitchen or the bathroom, but I thought it kind of makes more sense to be in the kitchen. And then the other Halloween decoration bit is I put these little tie beanie boos above our cooker, so they're just sat on like the glass cooker hood. Okay, so going up the stairs now, we do have this little shelving unit which again we got from B&M. So on here I've got a skull which is sat on some books. That one I bought from Homesense this year, and then on the top I've just popped this little the Day of the Dead skeletons, and he's just one of those with the little dangly legs. I love these. So finally is the bathroom. So I've got this marble and gold skull which I leave in here all year round, and then I do have this little, I don't know, I call him a pumpkin king, but he's wearing a top hat, not a crown, I know, but I just love him. Again, I bought him from Sainsbury's last year. This is what the front room looks like when it is nighttime, and I think it just looks really cozy and homely. I'm a huge fan of candles and dim lighting. I don't know, I just absolutely love it. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!